Welcome back to 5 more minutes of math right here, Herb's class. Let's go ahead and get started. So today we're talking, like you see, about solving linear equations. Now there's a reason that linear is in red and double underlined, right? By linear equations, I mean, one letter, no exponents. And when I say letter, I mean variable. Like there's only going to be x's involved, or maybe there's only going to be y's involved, but no exponents, right? All right, so just like a lot of other stuff in math class, there's a couple of different ways to get to the answer. So this particular video is on a particular method about how to solve these linear equations. The method? Okay, I call it simplify, sort, and solve. Now let's talk about what each one of those means, right? By simplify, I mean this. Distribute, if that's necessary. If you see parentheses, we're going to distribute, and then combine like terms. We're looking to get these as simple as possible, right? So after the simplifying is done, then we sort. That means this. Letters on one side, numbers on the other. And then finally, we solve. But you know what that means. All right, you know the drill. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and get one up here, man. See what we're talking about. Okay, good. This one's nice, man, because we got x's on both sides of this equal sign. Now, the equal sign is super huge and important. I'm explaining to you why. When we simplify, we got to simplify on each side of this equal sign. We got to distribute and combine like terms here, and we got to distribute and combine like terms here. As you can see, we don't have to do any of that. No parentheses. I got an x on this term and no x on that term. I cannot combine them. So this one's simplified already. Now it's time to sort. So, sorting. What we're going to do is rewrite this equation, right? We're going to rewrite the equation with x's on one side, numbers without x's on the other. But we got to keep one thing in mind. When I get to rewriting this, if I have to change the side of anything, if I have to move something from this side to this side, I got to change the sign on that. It's almost like we're adding 2 to both sides, and I'm going to put the plus 2 over here. So I'm taking this negative 2, I'm going to move it over here, and it'll be positive 2 over here. All right, let's start rewriting. Now, I'm going to put my x's on the left, and I'm going to put my numbers without x's on the right, okay? This 3x is on the proper side already. So you know what? It stays, This negative 2, now the negative belongs to the 2. This negative 2 is on the wrong side. I need my numbers without x's on that side. So I'm going to take that negative 2 and move it over as positive 2. Exactly right. Now I'm going to go to the other side and make sure that stuff is on the correct side. Is this 2x on the correct side? Not if I want my x's over here. So I bring this positive 2x over here as negative 2x. And now finally this 8. Is this 8 on the correct side? If I want my numbers over there without letters, that 8 stays positive 2. Now let's put this stuff together. Now I do have like terms to combine. You know what 3x's minus 2x's is? It's 1x, but we're too smart to leave that 1 in front of the x. We know what to do. That's just x. What do we got left on the other side? 2 plus 8 is 10. Yes. Now let's talk about what that means. So a solution. A solution is a value of x that makes this equation true. If I take this 10 and replace x with it, would that be true? Let's find out. So you see what I did? I took that equation and instead of writing x, I wrote what x is equal to. So, what's 3 times 10? Minus 2? Exactly right. Now let's see if it's like that on the other side. What's 2 times 10? Plus 8 equals? Yes! 28 equals 28. This equation is true. The solution must be 10. If I put any other number in there, you think it's going to work? No. This is how you solve a linear equation. Simplify, sort, and solve. Oh yeah. Check out the practice video right after this. Get you a couple of practice ones in here, man. I'll see you there. Later. Oh yeah.